People give me weed. I have that look. They're like, spread the word. Take this to Idaho. Spread the word. Are you anyone here from Idaho? I sensed it. You can't, it's not legal at all, right? Not even medically? You can't, you have to wear your seatbelt?
Have to wear your seatbelt.
Yeah, that's everywhere. I don't know how slowly word spreads to Idaho. But I got some called COVID that's gonna blow your mind. Yeah, I haven't heard anyone be mad about the seatbelt thing in a long ass time. Do you still not wear your seatbelt? You don't? You don't wear it? That's a weird rebellion. F you, man. Click. This is why you don't get weed. Until we can change our behavior.